What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja. If I sound different, I'm a little under the weather today, but that's fine. It's Easter Monday, it's the 18th of April, 2022, and we're going to just jump into it. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And I always suggest that you hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share. Okay? For more amazing ways to make money online. Today we're going to be talking about a senior sales development representative at a company called JetPack. JetPack is one of the many companies that is part of the Automatic group. If you've never heard of Automatic, you've heard of their work. They are the owners of WordPress, Woocommerce, Tumblr, Simple Note, Long Reads, Day One, Pocket Casts. So if you've ever heard of WordPress, that's the name behind that awesome website. Alright? So you've definitely, more than likely, heard of Automatic. Now, this is a senior sales development representative role, again, at JetPack. It's full-time, it's in sales and marketing, and you can work from anywhere in the world. Because of the internet, you can now find so many opportunities online where you're not limited by location anymore. All right. Now, Jetpack, Akismet, and WP Scan, which is WordPress Scan, are part of the Automatic family of brands. Together, we help medium to large businesses, including Disney, Microsoft, Patreon, Adobe, and Zendesk, create innovative digital experiences while also keeping their web properties safe. Our sales team is driving some of the most exciting programs across the business, and we're looking for a results-oriented sales development rep to join us. This is a high-growth role designed to develop and launch people into a successful sales and partnerships career in the tech industry. Now, your responsibilities will include to execute outbound call and email campaigns to prospective clients, to set sales meetings, following up on inbound leads from marketing campaigns to build new opportunities for sales. You will be leading discovery calls with prospects to assess potential fit, diagnose needs, and prescribe solutions. You will effectively qualify and build valuable leads to generate a strong pipeline. So, because you always want leads in your pipeline, always. Okay. More so, you want to convert those leads into paying customers. You'll proactively be prospecting for new accounts and contacts that would be ideal potential customers. You'll be performing outbound sales to qualified prospects. Balance your time efficiently between prospecting, outreach, and running discovery calls. Staying organized and maintaining operational excellence, attention to detail is critical. You'll also consistently hit or exceed daily activity and monthly meeting targets. You'll be providing recommendations and strategic insight to the leadership team. Now, if you're thrilled about this opportunity, then you might be thrilled because you have a strong interest in a sales and business development career. You're highly socially intelligent, easily able to understand, empathize, and connect with people. You love solving problems and discovering opportunities to help people succeed. You thrive in a goal-oriented and high-growth environment that achieves results. You value being part of an agile team and having a clear impact on the business. Additionally, if you are highly productive in a work-from-home environment, you're confident conducting cold calls and facing objections, you're open to occasionally doing sales calls, if you're empathetic and know that active listening is the key to becoming a great seller, if you welcome adversity because it will drive you to work toward the results you know you can attain, if you're motivated by your goal, by the team, and through your pursuit to always be better, If you are relentlessly hardworking and gritty, this is really all it takes to be a successful SDR. All right. Also, they want you to have a minimum of 5+ years of sales development experience. Now, if you don't, I'm pretty sure they'll still look at you if you have that drive and if you have that determination to succeed. They will. Now, the benefits are perks of working at the company. They have an employee first mindset that carries over to the culture and compensation. Many companies will put the customer first, but they have an employee first mindset. If the employee is not good, they won't treat the customer with respect. Point blank. There's a very competitive salary and stellar benefits. There's professional development opportunities. We promote from within. So they're not going to hire someone outside to fill roles that people inside or within the company can already fulfill. They happily provide or reimburse hardware and software you'll need, as well as home office needs, and resources that promote continued learning. There's an open vacation policy, so there's no set number of days per year. We encourage all employees to take the time they need for vacation to pursue their own interests, to stay healthy, and to spend time with friends and family. They have an open parental leave policy, which includes maternity leave, paternity leave, and adoption. Because you're probably wondering why adoption. Well, if you have adopted a child, you're going to need some time to cement that bond, to get to know each other. Especially if it's a child that's somewhat older. I'm not saying a month is enough time to get to know your child fully, but it helps when you can establish certain boundaries, establish the relationship, and establish a connection, a strong connection with that child before running off and spending time at work. So it does help. And I think JetPack is awesome for doing that. Now, if you've been with Automatic for 12 months, your leave is fully paid. Next, WordPress branded laptop at your 4-year anniversary, a spiffy set of wireless headphones at your 7-year anniversary. You also get paid 2 to 3 month sabbatical, and that is encouraged every 5 years. We cover all costs of company travel, so dust off that passport. Your team will get together 1 to 3 times per year in locations around the globe, just to meet, hang out, catch up, get to know the people you're working with, stuff like that. Other benefits are country specific and include health, vision, and dental insurance, matching retirement or pension contributions, childcare vouchers, income protection, travel insurance, and discount offers. So we already went over Automatic. They have more than 1,900 people working for them in 96 countries, speaking about 120 different languages, and they are very open to all sorts of people. They don't discriminate based on race, ethnicity, military status, gender, all of that stuff. No political affiliations are considered. They just want an open workforce that is hitting their targets. They're not going to look at you funny if you're this kind of person or that kind of person. They are inclusive, which means they pretty much welcome all walks of life. They just want to know that you qualify for the job. However, if you have more questions about their inclusion policy, you can click this link here when you get to this page. The link is in the description below. And speaking of links in the description below, check out all the links in the description below. Even yesterday, I was talking to someone who wanted to make money passively, something that he didn't have to physically be there for. And so, check it out. You will be pleasantly surprised when you check the links in the description. And enjoy your week. Enjoy all that you can. Live life as best as you can. And if you need to find a job online or find a way to make money online to help you do that, then consider subscribing to this channel, because that's all we talk about. Living the best life you can with resources obtained from the internet. It's an amazing time to be alive. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and you can like the video, comment on the video, and share this video with everyone out there who is looking to find work or ways of making money online. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.